Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing a coolant filtration kit on the 6.0. So, actually, well, to be completely honest, I've already filmed the video. Started the video when we were doing the oil cooler, and I completely forgot to film an intro. So, anyway, I guess with that being said, let's get right into it and get this coolant filter installed. Alright guys, so for one, don't mind the stuff everywhere. We're still doing the coolant, oil cooler. There we go. But we have here a coolant filter kit. Now, it's just a generic. This is not a Sinister or nothing like that. I actually bought this last year sometime. But we're going to go ahead and get this all put together and get it installed in the truck. Before we fire it up, that won't be in this video. Y'all will have already seen that. But I wanted to do this real quick before we put coolant in it. That way we can make sure that we have enough. So first things first, we have our bracket here. Now this bracket, it has this little finger that comes off of it that it'll fit into the core support there. And then this bolt hole right here, I'll show you what I'm talking about, goes into the, there's a stud right next to the radiator that'll hold this bracket in place. So I'm going to take this and we'll flip it over and go ahead and get it installed to the filter head. And then we will get all this stuff Teflon taped and all that stuff and ready to go. Alright, so I got everything Tefloned up, ready to go in. So that bracket is going to mount right here, which is not a 13. But this is what I was talking about, the slot the bracket will fit into, and it'll slide over this here stud. One hose will run over to the heater hose. The other one will run over to the one that's not there right now, which will go to the degas bottle. Alright guys, so we got our block installed with the filter. Ran our hose up over, drilled 2 small holes in the fan shroud. That way it'll stay nice and tucked away. And got it installed. We can trim these off if we want to, but now I've got to do the other one. Might try to run it through here, maybe, or over here, we'll see. And we're going to tie into the heater hose right here. Alright guys, so we just got this one routed down through, over through there, up, and it is teed in. Now down here, see that red hose right there? We cut a piece of hose, stuck around it. That way we can make sure that nothing will rub a hole in it. So it should be good. So here in a moment, I guess I'm going to open these ball valves and start the truck up, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that we don't have any leaks. Got a leak on this one, got a leak on this plug right here. So I went ahead and cut them back off. I'm going to try to tighten this one a little bit more. Probably going to try to take this plug out and put some liquid thread sealant on it just to be sure. Okay guys, so I don't know how well y'all could hear me, but on the coolant filter block over there, the plug on one side and one of the hoses is leaking. So alrighty guys, so it is a couple days later, well, almost a week later, but anyway, y'all seen these plugs or the plug was leaking here, and the hose that runs over to the degas bottle was leaking as well. So we have some sealant here, liquid sealant, that we're going to throw on these, and hopefully that'll take care of our leaks. What I've been doing is just running it with the ball valves closed off. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this hose off, and we'll go ahead and throw some sealant on it as well. Alrighty guys, so we just got those threads all taken care of. That stuff got a 72-hour dry time, so we went ahead, left the valves closed, so that way shouldn't be an issue. Now we can still drive the truck again, being as the valves are closed, but anyway, I guess that's gonna be it. So relatively easy install. Again, I've had this thing for a good while now. Figured it was time to go ahead and throw it on. Now, anyways, like I was saying, the purpose of these, the reason I waited to install the filter kit is because we needed to replace or do a coolant flush on this truck. So this was kind of a prime opportunity to go ahead and install it, being as well we just replaced the oil cooler. Now the purpose for these is, if you don't know, these trucks have sand casted blocks, and the casting sand is kind of just floating around in there. So from my understanding anyway. Now the deal about the filter kit is to filter out any contamination in it that can flow through your oil cooler, it can flow through your EGR cooler, it can flow through your heater core, so on and so forth. So that's kind of just like a preventative maintenance type thing. So hopefully that will take care of any sort of contamination that is in the cooling system on the truck, and whatnot. So I actually ordered this from a guy on I think Facebook Marketplace, so I bought that from, I don't remember, it's been forever ago, but I did get 2 extra filters for the thing, so we should be good for a pretty good while. Anyway, like I said, that's kind of the purpose, and as far as my understanding goes. Y'all know this is all new to me. So my grandpa said when he worked at International, he said some school districts actually wanted those on buses. Some school districts didn't. So he said they installed them a lot different type of kit than this, but they used to install them on buses way back when. But anyway, I guess that's gonna be pretty well it. So I'm actually about to get started on the 300 again, trying to get it ready to paint, trying to finish up all the body work on it. I found a couple more little dents in the thing. I don't exactly know when this video is going up, but we've been working on fixing all the dents, getting all of those took care of. So this thing should be ready for paint here very, very soon. But anyway, like I said, I do reckon that'll probably be a wrap for this video. I'm actually going to go back, look through the footage and see if I missed anything. Alrighty guys, so I believe I got everything as far as the install goes. Very, very simple. And there's lots of other videos on YouTube on them. But if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I do read all my comments. So anyway guys, I guess like I said, I reckon that is going to be a wrap for this video. So one thing that I would like to ask y'all, if y'all have any suggestions for companies that y'all want to see me work with on the 6.0 here, please drop a like and comment down below. Let me know what are some companies you want to see work with on the truck, or any products you want to see, stuff like that. Again, I do read all the comments on the videos. So if you would, again, leave a comment down below. Let me know. But anyway, guys, like I said, I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video. So if y'all enjoyed today's video, please drop a like. And again, a comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. And I hope everybody has a great day.